lovelies? It's your girl RJ. I hope you're doing awesome whenever and wherever you're watching. If you are new here, hey, hi, thank you so much for joining me. But if you've been here before, you know the drill by now. It's time to click the subscribe button. You gotta click that subscribe button. Click that subscribe button. It's gonna get better, I promise you. I'm gonna perfect it. I'm gonna get in the lab, sort of synthesizer beat. You guys will be blown away. Maybe I can get like Cardi B to guest on the track. I don't know, but it'll be awesome. So make sure you subscribe, stick with it, stick with me. I would appreciate it. I do have my glasses on today, so there might be kind of a weird glare. I had my contacts on earlier. This is my third video I've recorded today, and my contacts are like, haha, no. So glasses are on, but it's an unboxing video today. We've got a battle of the boxes. So I have 2 Walmart boxes, 1 Target box, a Boxycharm, and 2 Earfleek envelopes. So we are gonna dive right in and get into the goodies because you know how I like to have a 30-minute video every single time. Walmart, if you're not familiar, their beauty boxes come out spring, summer, fall, winter. So you get 4 a year. It's $5 for shipping. The box itself is actually free, but they have 2 boxes. They have a trendsetter and just a regular, I think it is. The difference is the trendsetter is supposed to be geared to like a younger audience and have more youthful items. I find a lot of times there's a lot of overlap between the two, but when you're a box whore, you basically want them all regardless. So I usually don't know which is which. It's not like they say, but let's just dive into the first one. So we've got a card and some tissue paper. And the card says, celebrate your beauty. And it just tells us how we can win a $100 gift card if we review our box online. I'll think about it. All right, so let's get into it, okay? So I will say before I get into the first item that Walmart beauty boxes tend to be less beauty, more just things that you need. So like deodorants, hairsprays, makeup remover. So the first item is a deodorant. It is soft and dry, aluminum-free, sparkling citrus deodorant. And I know I've got that horrible glare, but I'll try to zoom in on each item. Let's see what it smells like. Not the best. It smells like toilet bowl cleaner citrus, not like fresh citrus body wash smell. I feel like Soft and Dry used to be kind of like that generic brand that you could get at the dollar store. So, Next up is a Gold Bond Radiance Renewal cream oil. It's got coconut oil, cocoa butter, African shea butter, and it's basically to exfoliate and nourish your dry skin. We have an Aquaphor Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray. Ooh, that's interesting. So immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. So I actually just got something like this in another box, but it wasn't a spray, so I'm super excited. I recently got a new tattoo, and I used that stuff on my tattoo, and a spray would have been awesome. So next up is something we've actually gotten before and I have used and really liked it. It is a Village Naturals Therapy Aches and Pains Muscle Relief. It is a bath soak. I think the one I received last time was lavender. It was supposed to like help you sleep. But I just drop them in the bottom of the shower because I don't do baths very often. So I just sprinkle them along the bottom of the shower and a real hot shower, and it's awesome. Okay, next up is a brand that I have a ton of products from, but I'm always excited to get more, and it's the Sue Purifying Brightening Peeling Gel, and this is to refine and clarify, and it is a mask. So I think this is the kind that you just squeeze out, you spread on your face, and then you let it dry, and then you peel it off. Which is very cool. I love this brand, so that's a good one. Another brand that I like, and don't think I have, I think I got these before and have used them, so I'm happy to get some more before I have to buy like the actual bottles, is the Shea Moisturizer. This is the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo, and then the Curl Enhancing Soothie, which my son uses this, so I'll probably just squeeze this into his container, which is almost empty. I would have liked to got the conditioner as well because I do like that quite a bit. But here's both of those. Even though I like never wear my hair curly, I do like things for curly hair. I just feel like they add more nourishment to it. so that was everything in our first Walmart beauty box. Based on what was in it, I'm gonna say that's the regular box, but I won't really know for sure until we open our second one. So they're basically the exact same box with one little thing. So that one was probably, yeah, for the ladies. So in this one, we get Degree deodorant, which I'm actually excited about because I like Degree, and this is like a full-size thing. This is actually an ultra clear invisible solid that's good when you're wearing like black or white because it won't leave the nice musty lines on your clothes. Nobody wants. We got another one of the Aquaphor ointment body spray, so I'm happy with that as well. Changed up our lotion a little bit. So this one is an Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion with hydration. Yes, there's that. Let's see. Another Sue mask. And then the one difference in this one is that we got a nail polish. This is P2 Volume Gloss Gel Look Polish, and it's in the shade Double Agent. I don't ever polish my nails myself, but yeah, I'll pass it on to somebody. So that's it. So like literally the only difference is one came with a bath soak and one with a nail polish. This one actually probably was the trendsetter box. If you think about it, they sent like an old lady bath soak in one, and then this is for like the young girls that get to still hang out and paint their nails. I don't know. Target has started doing some special boxes. They have these boxes that kind of have themes to them, and I am all about hair care and trying to really get my hair its healthiest. And so I picked up the one that was for hair. I don't really know what it was called. Here's the box. And I think all the boxes look the same. It's just different items in them. I saw some that were like skincare based, some that were like all masks. And this one is all hair products. So the first thing is a TGIN. This is a Honey Miracle hair mask. And if you guys have watched 3 of my videos, you know that I love a good hair mask. I don't really use conditioner anymore. I just shampoo my hair and then put in a hair mask because I wash my hair about once every 3 days. Next up is a Camille Ray Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. I don't wear my hair curly much anymore, but this might be something good for my daughter to try out. She doesn't like hair products, but I keep trying to get her to put stuff in her hair, so that's that. Next up, we have a Curl to Go Wash and Wear for super curly and coily hair. So if I do want to do curly, I guess I can use this and the gel and be ready to go. I do think this box did target towards curly hair, which is fine because my hair is naturally curly. I just tend to blow it straight all the time. Ooh, I'm excited for this. This is by Miela. It's a detangling co-wash. And the co-wash is kind of like the shampoo conditioner combined, but it's more conditioner, less shampoo. So there's that little bottle. And this box, if I didn't say, was $7. I think all of the little ones they came out with were $7. Here's another thing by Mielle. This is a deep conditioner. And this is not a leave-in, so this is a rinse out. Little guy there, can you see it? Got that. And one more item. This is by Camila Rose, and this is an Almond Joy Twisting Butter. So I will not use this, but I have a friend who does kind of twist and curl her hair, so that will go into a bag for her. So that's everything that came in the, we'll say, Target limited edition hair box. All right, so before I open my Boxycharm, I thought we would do our Earfleek subscription, and they have changed up their envelopes. They're really cute now. So now they have like the little dots on them, and it says a girl should be 2 things, classy and fabulous, and that's a quote from Coco Chanel. So I have 2 of these subscriptions because I had signed up for one, and I think I did the minimalistic, and then Groupon actually had a deal where you could purchase like a 6 or 12 month subscription for a really good discounted rate. And so I did that, and I was like, I'm not gonna bother canceling the other one. Let's just do them both. I just picked different style. I think I picked the mix for the second one, so I never really know which is which. Ooh, these are fun. So they changed up their card too. I don't know if you guys remember how it looked before, but it's definitely a little different now. it still says, hey girl, here's a fun pair of earrings styled just for you. Hope you love your new bling. And it doesn't say who it was. My person used to be Rachel, I think. But it also says, share your look for a chance to win a free pair of earrings. Oh no, win earrings for a year free. That's pretty awesome. So I think this is the random ones just based on the style, which is fine. So I see they're not putting the hair ties in anywhere, but these earrings I am really digging. And I don't know if you guys even notice, but I always wear pretty small, just little tiny earrings, but I like these quite a bit. So they're hoops. So yeah, those are super fun. I love that they're silver. I definitely still wear more silver jewelry than gold. They're not heavy and they're not too big. Like I couldn't do really huge hoops, but that is a good size that I could still rock. Now let's open our second one. So these should probably be little earrings because that's my other subscription, is like minimalistic. Same packaging, same card on the inside. These earrings are a little similar in length to the other pair, so I'm not sure which is which, or maybe they're still considered minimalistic. Was that part of the earring? Okay, so I'm gonna have to show these to you, but there's like they're like just a solid black line, which I liked, but then there's like this pink ribbon tied on them, which will come out because I would never wear those. But here they are here, and here they are. Yeah, you guys see that pink bow? I'm not wearing that. Like, it just seems weird. Like they just wanted to throw something else on it for no reason. Because there it is. That I like. That I can do. So that is both of the earrings that I got from my Earfleek subscription. All right, last box is Boxycharm, and I'm pretty sure this is March because we're still in March and I just resubscribed. Boxycharm is $21 a month. You get 5 full-size products in there. If it's ever a sample size, it's like an Uber Deluxe, like travel sample size. So it's much bigger than any of like the tiny bottles that you'll get from like Sephora or Ipsy. It is $21 a month. I think you can save more if you do like the 3-month, 6-month, 12-month subscription. But I waver and go back and forth on boxes, so I just do the month to month. They didn't have a waiting list, and I know that next month there's supposed to be a ColourPop eyeshadow palette in the box, so I did kind of subscribe because I wanted that. Pretty Vulgar blush. So I got the color Prim Vixen, which is like the same color as my sweater. It is super bright pink. It may look good on the cheeks though. I mean, I find sometimes when things are densely packed into a container, you know, it looks one way on the skin another. I'll zoom in on that one, but it doesn't look bad at all actually. Next up, we have a Bella Paris volumizing mascara. Let's take a look at the wand. It's just a black mascara. The container's interesting. It actually makes me think more of a liquid lipstick than a mascara. I hate to accidentally make that mistake. Okay, so it's a little liquidy. The bristles are pretty basic on it. Nothing super wow, but hopefully it works pretty good. Next up, we have the Vintage Cosmetics, and this is a smoky eye brush set. I love brushes. I might love brushes more than makeup. All right, so we've got 3 brushes here, and do they have little sayings on them? Step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3, go girl, go. They do seem a little short. They're not like travel size, but they're definitely shorter than normal. There they are there. South Main, and these are 3 eye gel packs. They are just the ones that go under your eye to help reduce puffiness and dark circles. I have been actually having some dark circles. I used to not ever get that, but I think just my sleeping schedule is off a little bit, so I'm excited to try these. I've seen someone, I don't want to open them because I'm not going to use it right now, but I've seen a couple people use these, and they do look like they're quite thick and have quite a bit of the serum in there, so I'm definitely excited to try these. And is that it? Oh, nope, looks like there's one more thing inside. What is this? Do not know. Okay. Oh, okay, so this is actually an eyeshadow palette that's a, what do you call it? Collaboration between Boxycharm and Pure. Ooh, these are some bright, fun colors. This is definitely like your spring, summer colors, so they definitely time this good. Here it is there. Okay, so I swatched all 12 shades on my hand, and just from putting my fingers in them, they all feel super creamy and buttery. I have not really used much from Pure. I did just recently try out their glitters, which I really like. And I have like a bronzer, I think, from them, but that's about it. I have a highlighter from them too. Okay, I have a few things, but I've never tried an eyeshadow palette. And I really wanted, when they had that like My Little Pony collection, I really wanted to try that out, and I never got a chance to. So let's take a look at these swatches. So the top row is a little light on me, but the first color is Perfect, then Makey, then Belle, and then Squad. Then the next row we have Charmer, Alliance, Bay, and ATL. This is one of my favorite colors in this one so far. Then the final row we have Duet, Mia, then BFF, and Boxy Black. And that is a really good black. So there's all of them. So I'm super excited to create a look with this set. I think you can create lots of looks with these colors. So very good. It's even got a mirror inside of it. So that's awesome. All right, so that is everything that came in my March Boxycharm box. So what did you guys think? I know we've got a very varied amount of boxes. You know, Walmart is kind of one thing. The Target box was all hair. Boxycharm was definitely makeup, so I'm glad we got to get like a good dose of makeup in our unboxing this month. I know this is going up late. These are all March boxes, but you probably won't see this until April. But I still wanted to get them up and show you guys what I got in case you're not familiar with any of these boxes. So yeah. Also, I want to remind you that I do have a giveaway going on. It's for an Ipsy Gen Beauty LA swag bag. If you click that link right there or right there, it'll take you to that video on how to win. Also in April, I'm going to be doing sample Saturdays and Sundays. Which is basically when I gather together some samples on either Saturday or Sunday, make an announcement on my IG stories, and you can win them. It's always, you know, good stuff, things that I've gotten like maybe duplicates of, or stuff that I got but it's not something I would use. It's generally, it's like getting your own little free Ipsy bag. You know, I'm putting together, you know, 5 to 7 samples. I mail them to you. It's awesome. It's free stuff. So if you're not subscribed to my IG, then definitely check it out. Don't forget, my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat is all the same as here on YouTube, xoxoRajshel. So make sure that you are following me. I definitely don't post on Snapchat as much, but the other two I definitely try to use quite a bit. I think that's it. So until next time, bye guys.